CBSE class 10 exercise 8.1 question number 9. In triangle ABC right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of number 1 sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, number 2 cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Since it is a trigonometric problem, so first we have to draw a right angle triangle. This is your right angle triangle. So right angle will be at the point B. So suppose this is your B, this is your A, this is your C. So ABCA is a right angle triangle. So first we find out tan A is equal to given, what is given here? Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Again we know tan A, this is your tan A, this is angle A. So angle A, if this is your angle A, this is your base, this is your perpendicular. So we know that tan A is equal to perpendicular by base. So ratio of perpendicular is to base is equal to 1 is to root 3. So let perpendicular is equal to 1x and base is equal to root 3x. According to Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square is equal to what? Perpendicular plus base square. So put the value. This is 1x, x square plus base is equal to root 3 x whole square, that is x square plus 3x square, that is 4x square, or hypotenuse value what? Root over 4x square is equal to 2x. This is your hypotenuse is equal to 2x. This is your base is equal to root 3x. This is your perpendicular, perpendicular is equal to x unit. It may be centimeter, maybe meter, anything else. X unit, 2x unit and root 3 x unit. So now we will find out sin A. Sin A. Sin A is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. The value of perpendicular is equal to x, value of hypotenuse is equal to 2x, that is half. Similarly, the value of cos A is equal to what? Cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse. What is the value of base? Root 3x by hypotenuse is equal to 2x. X cancel out, that is root 3 by 2. What is the value of cos C? Cos C is equal to base by hypotenuse. If the angle is C, where C is here, then base will be, this is your base, this is your perpendicular, all other will be same, triangle will be same. So if you consider angle C, then base will be, this is your base, that is CB, and perpendicular will be BA. So in that case cos C is equal to base by hypotenuse. What is the value of base? In that case base is equal to x, hypotenuse is equal to 2x, is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, sin C is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. In that case perpendicular is equal to root 3x by hypotenuse is equal to 2x. X cancel out, that is root 3 by 2. So now put the value of this is 1 sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to, put the value. What is the value of sin A? That is half. What is the value of cos C? Cos C is equal to half. Plus, what is the value of cos A? Cos A is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. What is the value of sin C? Sin C is equal to root 3 by 2. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C will be 1. Now second problem, this is your second problem. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin B. Just put the value of cos A. Here is the cos A. This is your cos A is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into cos C. Cos C. This is your cos C is equal to half. Minus sin A. Here is sin A. This is sin A is equal to half. This is your sin A. Sin A is equal to half. Then sin C. Here is sin C. This is sin C. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So this is equal to 0. The value, second value will be 0. So now question number 10. This is easy sum.